Hi, I'm Rob Peterson. I'm the owner of Play It Again Sports in Burnsville, Minnesota. I met the founder of Play It Again Sports in 1987 and started working for her shortly after that. I purchased my franchise in 1999. We are professionals. We are a specialty sporting goods store. We carry anywhere from 6 to 10 different categories, a lot of team sports. We emphasize the used, but of course we carry new as well. Unfortunately, in late March, we did have to close our store. We were closed for approximately 5 weeks. We did a lot of cleaning and a lot of organizing, things that we had kind of put on the back shelf for a while. We were looking for best practices, so looking for cleaning processes, signage, things that would make, once again, our staff feel comfortable and safe, as well as the customers coming through the door. We discovered SAO, stabilized aqueous ozone, through Green Science Solutions.
Grab those towels and your sprayers, let's wipe down the equipment.
Happened to come across a video on a personal training outfit in town. I watched the video. They had incorporated the SAO into their environment.
Thanks so much.
But I actually went and met them and watched them, observed them, saw their machine, and decided to make the investment. So right now we're doing our cleaning, all the touch points, the high touch points, every other hour. So every 2 hours we're going through the store and hitting those areas. And then of course we do a deeper clean at the end of the night. First thing we do is we go back to our cleaning room, and we will fill both our spray bottles as well as the backpack that we have, so they're ready for the day. And then the first shift would go ahead and hit all of the high touch points in the store. It's as simple as just spraying it on if you're using the spray bottle. The backpack's nice because you can hit a large area real quickly and pretty efficiently. We are hitting the touch points at the cash wrap as well. So we have 2 different methods. First of all, if it's a mouse or if it's the headset on the phone, we'll just spray it directly and we'll let it sit. Occasionally, if somebody needs to use the item, we'll wipe it down about 30 seconds later. Otherwise, if it is an electronic, we're gonna go ahead and put it on a micro fibered cloth and then wipe it down that way. I don't pretend to know the science behind it, but there sounds like there's a ton of science behind it. Obviously safe for the water chain as we drop it back down the drain once we're done with it. Simple, didn't have to carry all the different chemicals, all the different cleaners that we've used in the past, but the staff is embracing it. We are finding that pretty simple to use, certainly easy to dispense, and looking forward to seeing what it can do in other areas too. Come on in and we'd be happy to help you, as well as take in your used gear.